All right, so we should at this point have our player sprite, our start button. We're going to make another sprite here, and this is another one that we're going to actually draw. We're going to go here and select that paint option. And so this sprite is going to be our reset button. So again, we're making another button. I'm going to select the circle tool this time, and I'm pretty happy with the purple. That seems fine to me, but I do want an outline on this. So instead of nothing, I'm going to go to nice black outline, and I'm going to change the thickness of that to 4 pixels. That's going to be a decent outline here. So with the circle tool selected, I'm going to just make an oval, and I'm pretty happy with that oval. And again, same things. We're going to that plus sign in the middle, and we're going to match it up with that center icon on our Scratch window. That's going to be pretty important. Now I'm going to my text tool, and again, I want my text to not be the same color as my backdrop. And this time I want to go for a little bit different font. Handwriting should be fine. And I'm going to name this restart. This is my restart button. Now, right now, I'm pretty disappointed with the size of that font. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to click on the corner and resize it, make it bigger. And I'm going to click on this corner and resize it this way too. I want to make it as big as I can and still have it fit in my button. So again, I'm going to go to that plus sign in the middle. I'm going to drag that and match it up with that center icon, and that'll center everything in my button. I'm going to click and drag all a box around all of that and group those two so that my whole object is one big object that's going to be stored together. And instead of calling this sprite 1, I'm going to change it from sprite 1 to, you guessed it, restart button. All right. Once I've got all that set up, I've got my start button and my restart button. I've also got that player sprite from Mr. Kizuka's video, and I'm in pretty good shape here. I need at least one more sprite to add to this game, and we'll talk about some other things we can do as we continue through this. So good job here with your restart button. Let's see what's next.